Hello from Brotherland. It's Andrew here, and today I've got a video for all you micro business owners, side hustlers, Etsy sellers. You know you are. Outside of being the best brother I can be, I also run a personal business selling physical products. Because of that, I'm using AusPost constantly, and I cannot explain to you how one simple addition to my setup improved my life, but I'm going to try. It's a professional label printer and shipping label roll, specifically this Brother QL1110 NWB and the DK11247 label roll. A lot of letters, a lot of numbers, and that's exactly what this little powerhouse duo was built to handle. This provides that subtle touch you can apply to your packages to make them look polished and professional. I've got brand new ones here still in the box, so I'm going to show you how easy they are to set up and get rolling with your orders. Let's get it open. Alright, I'll give you a look what I'm doing on my computer. First up is a little bit of housekeeping, making sure our preferences are set up correctly. Open the control panel, hardware and sound, devices and printers. Right click on the Brother machine and left click on printing preferences. Set the paper size to the same media in your machine and set the quality to give priority to print quality. It's critical that this is correct. Then click OK to apply the changes and close the window. Open the Australia Post shipping label PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Select File and then Print. Within the print window that opens, select your Brother label printer model, set page sizing and handling to actual size, and set orientation to auto. Then press Print. Now, if you're someone like me that does a lot of business on their phone, it's just as easy to print these from your mobile. You can print straight from your mobile using AirPrint on iOS or the Brother Print plugin available on Android. And it's as simple as that. Now, you've got labels that look professional at the touch of a button. Like I said, this one I use today works best for what I need, but there may be one better for you, like Brother's portable printers or thermal printers, which can also take care of shipping labels. Anyway, check out Brother's range at brother.com.au and see for yourself. And happy printing.